Hey there! Today, we'd like to introduce some fantastic updates to our Recipients dashboard. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you can now assign recipient profiles to specific admin accounts, making gifting campaign management even easier. This empowers you to effortlessly oversee your gifting campaigns with precision. It's all about streamlining management, ensuring efficient operations, and guaranteeing that every gift hits the right mark. To assign profiles, select the Recipients tab and click the Add button to create a recipient profile. Here you will find the owner field. Then, select the admin account you want to assign your recipient to. You can also assign multiple recipients to the same admin account at once. Select as many profiles as you'd like and click the Assign button. Don't forget to click Confirm when you are finished. Please note that you can modify the owner of each recipient whenever needed. Just click on the edit icon beside the recipient profile, allowing you to reset this field to your preferred admin account. Next, we've introduced a visually engaging update to your dashboard. Avatars for recipients, users, and gifters now synchronize with their email domains. This not only adds a personalized touch, but also facilitates swift identification of your target accounts with just a glance. We hope these updates will enhance your Giftpack experience, offering greater control and a more intuitive interface. Stay tuned for more upcoming features, and thank you for being part of the Giftpack community.